Hello, this is Crystal. How can I help you today? Well, as you can see, kakagising ko lang. At hindi ko alam kung paano umpisahan itong unang video natin ngayon.
Oh my God! Wow!
Alam ko na. Umpisahan natin sa paghilamos.
A few moments later.
So yan, kakatapos lang natin o kakatapos ko lang maghilamos like I said earlier. And here's my husband.
How dare you?
So bibili muna ako ng itlog. Itlog and sulat ko nga, ano ba to? Anyel. Katanda na. Nakakalimutin pa din. Di ko alam ba't ganyan ako. Itlog. Anyel.
Too many words in school.
Kondensada. Love, can I have some money?
You need some money? Yeah.
Haru, babalik ako. Sandali. So ngayon magluluto tayo ng tortang itlog na may kamatis at sibuyas. And ating bibinyagan ng aming bagong kawali. Basta bago yan, hindi lang halata.
A few inches later.
Re-explain who Jeffrey Epstein was. If you're watching this, you already probably know, and if you don't, that's not the point of today either. What is the point is this photo. This image has been shared by major media outlets, picked up by, not because they wanted to gossip, but because something about it felt off. Yeah, we're gonna talk about that, because I think it's weird too. So anyways, welcome back to Morbid Monday, where we don't just talk about death, we talk about what the body actually does after it. And today, we're putting the death science lens on a photo that the internet cannot stop arguing about, because it's just another Morbid Monday. Wish it was Friday. I need more lyrics. I got nothing. Hannah, oh my god, my brain is just fucking right. Morbid Monday, Morbid Monday. Cue the intro. Wow, 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 wow. Here's what we're going to do. First, I'm going to show you, from a mortuary science standpoint, why this photo does not show a deceased body, not opinion.
So today, maglalabas tayo ng mga basahan. Ginagawa ko yung paglalaban ng basahan and underwear at the same time. Ginawa ko siya kahapon na tupi naman na ni Devon. Ginagawa ko siya dahil wala pa kaming laundry. Kaya mano-mano muna kami maglaba. Pero when it comes to like damit pang taas, pants, shorts, nagpapalaundry kami. Yung shower. May na. Hindi na. Dali, nag-go na. Nag-go na, mamaya. I'll give you a shower. Go. Go na later. Later. Pakibantayan mo na yung anak ko. Lab, can you hang this? You just hang there outside.
No hanger?
No. If you want hanger?
I thought we were gonna do hanger. Okay.
I can do hanger.
Yeah, I'm gonna do hanger because it's probably better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
I got it. Don't worry, I got it. We're done. We're done?
I'm
Yeah,
done.
good. Wala pa din lang.
Oh, wait lang. Halika. 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 Tigal, tigal, tigal. Ano? Hirap ka, no? Hirap mo kaya? Hirap ka, no? Ano? Tama na. Sit down. Sit. Hirapan ka, no? Ha? Ayaw mong tumigil, ha? Hindi na. Kulit mo, ha? Anong feeling? Pinasubo ko sa kanya buong kamay ko, ayaw tumigil, eh. Tigil ka, no? One more? So, yun guys. So, wakas natapos din ang gawain natin ngayong araw. And as you can see, sobrang haggard ko.
Brother, what's that?
Nag-workout pala ako using Devin's 15 pounds weight.
Yeah.
Gamit yung barbell. Barbell ba yun? Did not expect. Oh, dumbbell. It was so challenging. Why? It's because also of this guy. Pero I'm happy sa ano nagawa natin ngayon. And I will treat this as achievement. Ang hirap kaya magbuhat ng 20 pounds na dumbbell. Pero yeah, bigyan niyo lang ako ng time. Maligo. Tatapusin na natin tong video. Thank you so much. Later.
Eternity later.
Kakatapos ko lang maligo, obviously. Naliligo ako sa bed. Yeah. I mean, nandito lang naman ako sa bahay, so why not? So if you're wondering what time is it is 10:08. And I would like to say sorry. Why? Kasi, as you can see, medyo magulo yung bahay namin. Hindi pa siya like, complete organized. Kasi kakalipat lang namin 2 days ago. And we used to live in Las Piñas, but we have to move back here in Silang Cavite kasi nagkasakit ako. I think that would be all. Thank you so much if natapos mo tong video na to. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Keep safe and gorgeous. Goodbye for now. Bukas ulit.